Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So even though I said I was going to do this next video on Sunday, why not just do it today since we have a day off. So I'm going to teach you how to create, this is part 2 of how to create your own Please Donate game, that popular game where you donate. So now I'm going to finish up making the stand and adding the purchase things. So quickly, I just want you to publish your game, and security, just enable everything, okay? Or else nothing, or else it's not going to work, okay? Also, in the claim script last time, I think I said I did text level.transparency. It's supposed to be text level.text. Sorry about that. Okay, so now let's go to scripting our GUIs, okay? So let's see, we're gonna make this frame visible, just make everything visible. Let's see, text button visible. Okay, and quickly we're just gonna script these for remote events in the GUIs, okay? So look, so first we're gonna go to this text label over here. Remember, it's just supposed to, I'll just make it white since it's hard to read. Okay, just remember we did that, so watch this. So insert one local script and type this game.replicated_storage.claim.onClient event connect function. Then we're going to do script.parent.text equals to successfully claimed stand. Okay, and then we're going to do wait to script.parent.text equals to nothing. So just do that. And you know what, see, as you can see over here in the proximity did here, it says like when it claims it fires the client, so it's just gonna say successfully claimed stand. Okay, insert another, just duplicate this local script over here, duplicate it, and then it will be script game.replicated_storage.error.onClient event connect function. Then we're gonna do error with EE because error is already a variable. All of this will make sense after, okay? So we'll do if error E with the E equals to true, then a script.parent.text equals to make sure the item you are submitting is a piece of clothing. Because this game will only accept clothing. One person asked me if you can make game passes, but no, that won't work because when you upload game passes, it doesn't go under your username, it goes under like Roblox's usernames. So that's why it wouldn't work. So now we're gonna do wait to, then we're gonna do script.parent.text equals to just nothing, okay? Now we're gonna do else if, over here, no, where's it? Else if error with the E equals to false, then script.parent.text equals to successfully updated. This is going to make sense later once we script the other things. Then wait to, then we're going to do script.parent.text equals to just nothing. Duplicate this again. Okay, now we have this. Now we're going to do game.replicated_storage.owned.onClient event connect function. Then we're just going to change this text to you already own a stand. So if someone tries to own a stand, okay, you already own a stand. Boom. I think that's the last one. Yep. Okay. Time for the scripting part of it. Okay. So first in this edit stand button, okay, we're going to insert a local script, okay? We're going to insert a local script. Then we're going to do game.replicated_storage.claim.onClient event connect function script.parent.visible equals to true. So that means as soon as it claims, the edit button comes up, since you can edit it as soon as, and then duplicate that and just do script.parent.mouse button one click connect function script.parent.frame.visible equals to true. So it just opens up the frame. And then make this edit button visible false. Okay, now time for this stuff, okay? Insert ID here. Okay, look. So we're gonna see how this is slot 1, right? Then we're just gonna do slot 1 donation ID. Make that the placeholder text, okay? So we have 5 slots, so we're just gonna make 5 of these, but first let's script one of these, okay? So we're gonna go into a local script, okay? Now this is going to be a big script, but I'll do it fast just for you. So script.parent.mouse button one click connect function. Then we're going to do local text equals to script.parent.parent.text, aka the text you're entering in the text box or your ID. Then we're going to do local success, comma, error equals to pcall function. And now in this local script, you're going to want to insert an int value and just, that's it. Don't name it, just name a value, okay? So now we're going to do script.value.value equals to game.marketplace service get product info text dot price in Robux, capital P, capital I, capital R. So what this will do is it will make this text this, and if it fails, like it's not an ID, then it won't work. Okay? Then we're gonna do if success. So if the ID is real, then we'll do if game dot marketplace service get product info text dot creator dot name equals to game dot players dot local player dot name. So this checks if the players owned it. Then we'll do game dot replicate storage dot edit fire server script dot parent dot name comma script dot parent dot text. No. Yeah, that's right. Okay, now we're gonna do else. So if it's the player's not owner, then we're gonna do script dot parent oops, not false, dot parent, I think it's like 5 parents, dot parent dot text label, nope, one less, dot text label, okay, so 4 parents, dot text equals to make sure you created the item you are submitting. So just warns the player, and then wait 2, script.parent.text label .text equals to nothing. Now we're gonna go here and type in else. So if not success, then script.parent.text label .text equals to ID isn't valid. So we'll just tell them that the ID isn't valid. If it's a game pass, it won't even work either. Now just wait 2, and then script.parent.text label .text equals to nothing. Okay, so that's just slot 1, and it works. Oh yeah, also in this button, in the X button, then just insert a local script and do script.parent.mouse button 1 click connect function script.parent.visible equals to false. Okay, that just closes this each time it is. Okay, and now we're gonna insert a script into server script service, and we're gonna call this edit. Okay, so it's gonna edit everything. Okay, so look, game.replicated storage.edit on server event connect function PLR comma name comma ID. Okay, so now we're gonna do, okay, and now this is the important part. We're gonna have to create a folder in workspace, okay, and name it stands. Oops, my bad. Just name it stands like this, and put this stand in here. After this, you can duplicate how many stands you want. Just keep it in that folder. Don't name it anything. Just name it standard if you want multiple. Okay. Now we're gonna do for underscore comma stands in pairs parentheses workspace dot stands get children do if stands find first child value. Stands dot value. If stands find first child value dot value equals to player dot name. Then, so that means it's checking if the stands value has is the player's name, which is the owner. Okay, so if yes, then we'll do let's see. Then it will do if name does not equal to slot. Let's see. So we have 5 slots, right? And then our slot 6 is the sign. So we don't want to edit the ID on the sign. So if name does not equal to slot 6, okay? And if it's higher, then do slot 7. If your board is slot 7, then do slot 7, okay? If name does not equal to slot 6, then local part equals to stand. Let's see, stands find first child name, okay? So basically, you know how the name of the we submitted the name of it as like slot 1 slot 2, so if they find the slot 1 slot 2 name, it will do that. And now we're gonna have to insert a click detector into the no, not here. So now in our edit script, insert a click detector. Okay, insert an int value, and then insert a script. In this script, you're gonna want to type this. Okay, we're gonna do script.parent.mouseClick connect function PLR. Then we're gonna do if PLR, then game get service marketplace service prompt purchase player comma script.parent.value.value. So PLR. Okay, script.parent.value.value. So when the value is set here, it will prompt it. Okay, so now back to the script. Local part equals to stands find for child name. Then we're gonna do local clone equals to script.clickDetector clone. Okay, then we're gonna do clone.value equals to ID, which is the ID that they're submitting, right? Then we're gonna do clone.parent equals to part. Then we're gonna do local success comma error equals to pcall function again. Okay, then we're gonna do part.surfaceGUI text label. So this has to do with the surface GUI's.text equals to game.marketplace service get product info ID dot price in Roblox the speech marks space R and the dollar symbol. So we'll show the dollar symbol. Okay, then we're gonna do if not success, then game.replicate_error fire client player comma true. So proves that it's an error. Then we're gonna do else game.replicate_error fire client player false. So like we did the error script right here, if I can find it. See, error, yeah. So we'll say successfully update or make sure that it's a piece of clothing. Now we're gonna do this. Okay, so now we have this. Else if name equals to slot 6, basically the text thing. We're gonna do that later. Then we're gonna do local part equals to stands equals to stands find for child name. Okay. Now we're gonna do local filtered message equals to game get service chat filter string async ID comma PLR. Okay, then we're gonna do part.surfaceGUI text label text equals to filtered message. Then we're gonna do game.replicate_error fire server fire client player comma false. Then we're gonna do wait. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so now that that's working, watch this. Okay, so now that this is working, slot 6 is basically, why is it filtering? It's for the sign, so the sign gets filtered, so no one puts any inappropriate stuff on it. So now here, just make the frame visible to false, and let's see how good this is working, okay? Okay, so let's see. I'll go here, claim it. It will say successfully claim stand, my stand. I have the edit stand button. Now the X and this works. Now, let's say I enter this ID. Make sure you created the item you are submitting, because it's a clone that I didn't create. ID isn't valid. But let's say I go over here to this shirt that I created, and I paste it here, and I press submit. Successfully updated, and it's right here. Right here, and I can click it and it would buy it for me, which is perfect. So now all we have to do is duplicate that on the frame and put it for all slots. No matter how many you have, just duplicate, okay? So we're gonna go here, duplicate, put that here, duplicate here, and then oops. Then we're gonna do one more duplicate, just put that here, I think. Yeah. Okay. This is slot 1. Name this one slot 2. This one slot 3. Nope. Yeah. Slot 3. This one will be slot 4. And then this one will be slot 5, and you're good. And then finally, duplicate this. Bring both of these down. Name it slot 6. And then this will be your text. So here make the placeholder text sign text. Okay? Now we're gonna edit this local script, okay? Now we're gonna do sorry about that. Okay, so look, we're gonna do let's see, I think I forgot this script already. I'm sped. Let's see. Okay, look, I think it's okay. Script.parent.mousebuddy one click connect function. Okay, we're gonna do local text equals to script.parent.parent.text. Then we're gonna do game.application towards the edit fire server script.parent.parent.name comma text. If I'm right, that's what it is. Wait, let me go to one of these other scripts and see if that's right. Name, oh, it's name, yep, and then the text. Okay? And now I think this is it. I think this will work. So look, so let's press play, and let's see how everything works. Just saying, it doesn't filter in Studio. When you're in Studio, it doesn't filter. So look, if I do syntax 1, yeah, I think I did something wrong. Okay, let's see what I did. Argument 3 missing. Okay, argument 3 is missing. Let me see what I did wrong. It says argument 3 is missing. ID, comma, player. I think I did that right. Filter string is sync. See, it goes through, but there's something wrong here. I actually am making my own please donate game. I already have all the scripts. So I'm just giving it to you because I'm already trying to make my please donate game. So I'll just open Studio again and find it. So I'll just go into here and open my please donate game that I actually made. Let's see, donate please. I called it donate please. Stupid name, but okay. Okay. I put a little bit more effort into this, I'm sorry. Okay. So this will be what you'll have at the end of everything. Okay. If you see insert text here, unclaimed 0 Robux raised, that's what we'll have at the end. So look, let's go to and edit. Okay. Equals to, yeah, see, I think I did everything right. Local filter message equals to game, get service chat. Filter string async. Did I do that? Oh, it's filter string for broadcast. Ah, that's the problem. Okay, so instead of that, it's filter string for broadcast. Okay, that's what I did wrong. Okay, so now let's press play. Let's see if it works. Okay, we have everything. E. Okay, good. Everything works. Okay, now let's see. Let's paste ID here. Successfully update. 50,000 Robux is here. What if I do this? Hashtag blue official shirt. Let's pay. Oh no, wrong studio. Paste it here. Submit. Successfully updated. Now it's there. So as you can see, everything works. Okay. And before I head off, let's add some color and just tweak the GUI a bit. Okay. So in this frame, make it visible. And then instead of slot donation 1, you have to make it slot 2 for the placeholder text. So just make it slot 2. Open this one. Slot 3. Slot 4. And then this one will be slot 5. As you can see, you just have to name a slot 5 and then everything is perfect. Okay. So visible equals to false. And now let's just add some color to this because I think it's gonna be low poly. Because that's how the other game is, so just make it green, smooth plastic, and make sure your thing is anchored. I forgot to do that. And then let's edit. Let's make this sign nice. So let's just color all the parts except the slots. Let's just and slot 6 because that's the sign. Let's do it like some brown, tan, and then smooth plastic. Okay, so this will be the end of this episode. Next episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to do leader stats, like donated and raised, and how to put donated and raised over here. And then So that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Bye!